Good morning. I'm going to do a walk around video on our Range Rover long wheelbase autobiography. This is a very, very nice vehicle. There's really not a whole lot I can point out on it, but I will point out anything that I do see. We'll just start by a quick 360 around it. Looking at the front nose of the car, it's in very good condition. Headlamps are not pecked up. Front bumper is not all pecked up. I do see a couple small rock pecks that have been touched up. I'm going to use a ballpoint pen here to put them into perspective. If you can see them, they're right there at the tip of the pen. Going down a little bit lower, got looks like a couple small little pecks right here. And that is really it on the front. If you look at the hood, no rock pecks or scratches on the hood. All right, on the driver's side front fender, no dings or scratches. Looking at the front driver's side wheel, I have no curb rash. Tire tread is all really good. No ding marks on the mirrors. Looking at the driver's side door, no dings or scratches. On the driver's side rear door, no dings or scratches. Looking at the driver's side rear fender, no dings or scratches. No rock pecks behind the wheel. On the rear wheel itself, got just a little bit of curb rash right here and here. Going around to the rear on the tailgate. Tailgate's all really nice. On the rear bumper, I do have some light scratching. This could possibly be buffed out. I don't know if you can see it. It may just look like a reflection in the video, but some right there, there, and across here. It's very light. Very well might be able to be buffed out. Got one small scratch right here. Going over to the passenger rear fender, no door dings or scratches. This wheel is very nice, no curb rash on it. Actually, looks like I got one slight little mark right here that can probably be buffed off. I can't hardly feel it with my fingernail. So let's see the passenger side rear door, no dings or scratches. Nothing on the passenger front door either. On the black trim, I've got a small scratch right here. Probably make that look a little bit better, just minor. On the fender, no scratches or door dings, and no curb rash on the, oh, sorry, take that back. A little bit of curb rash here on the front wheel. Didn't show you the rear tires. Rear tires are fine as well. Take a quick look at the interior. There's absolutely nothing I can point out on the interior. The interior is like brand new on this car. Got no bolster wear on the driver's front seat bolster. The piano wood on the steering wheel is not all scratched up. Looking at the top of the dash, no leather pull or shrinkage. The touchscreen is in really nice condition. There's no scratches on it. Neither, same thing with the center console. No scratches here. Looking at the passenger seat, no bolster wear here on it. All right, on the driver's side rear door, the door panel's all really nice. No seat issues back here. No marks on the screens. The wood on the console here is really nice. In the rear, take a quick look. No issues to point out back here. Take a look at the passenger side rear. Everything really is in good condition back here on this side as well. Again, no bolster wear on the seats. Rear screen is good. There's no scratches or cracks or anything on it. Take a look at the headliner while we're back here. The sunshade headliner is all really nice. Here on the passenger side front, again, everything's really nice. As I showed, no bolster wear on the seat. All right, I'm gonna do a quick startup. Looks like the spare tire needs a little air in it. We'll get that taken care of. Got no check engine lights or service lights other than that. You can see the touchscreen is working. Kick on the, that flickering you're seeing is just from the video. You can see there's our navigation working. Car revs up, no issues. And lastly, we'll just take a quick look underneath the hood. As usual with most cars in today's world, not much to really see under here. And lastly, I forgot to shoot you a little bit of video of the top. Got no hail damage or dings or scratches up here. The glass is all really good.